Welcome to the Slop Farm. Enjoy the video.
You start by confirming the essentials. Check Android version and free storage. You want at least 100 MB free. Otherwise, the installer fails. Once done, switch to a stable Wi-Fi connection or reliable mobile data and disable VPNs that can interrupt downloads. Now restart your Samsung J2 to clear temporary issues, then force close YouTube in Settings right arrow apps. These actions remove transient blocks and prepare the system so the next steps can run without false errors. Next, attempt the standard route. Open the Play Store, go to YouTube and tap Update. If it stalls, back out and try again after clearing Play Store cache and data. This resets download managers. Make sure background data is allowed and auto updates are on. If Google Play still fails, download a compatible YouTube APK from a trusted source and install it manually. Allow installs from unknown sources only temporarily. Doing this fixes corrupted downloads and mismatched signatures that block updates. To finish, reboot your phone after a successful update and open YouTube to confirm playback and sign in. If problems persist, uninstall YouTube updates in Settings and reinstall. That reverts broken components. As a final step, consider a factory reset only if nothing else works. Make sure you back up contacts, photos, and messages first. If you must reset, restore apps selectively and test YouTube before restoring everything. This minimizes repeated faults and isolates corrupted backups or app data.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.